Morning all of you. Now we studied how to divide a number by another number by repeated subtraction method and also by then long division method and using number line. Okay, using repeated subtraction and using number line and also by short method. Also we discussed the short division method. Now how we divide numbers using long division method. Okay, another method. So in this case, the question, one example you look, 7 divided by 3. One question is given, 7 divided by 3. So when we use long division method, we write the numbers here in this division statement, which is the dividend is 7 and the divisor is 3, and we want to find out the quotient. Division answer is called a quotient, that we know. So arrange these numbers like this. Write the dividend like this and write the numbers like this, and the number divisor we write here. Okay, so we want to write the numbers like this for long division method. So now we want to find out 7 divided by 3. So using short method and using repeated subtraction method, we know 7 divided by 3 will be how much? For that, we know the multiplication table of 3 we want to write. You know what is 1 into 3? Here the divisor is 3. So we are writing the multiplication table of 3. 1 into 3 equal 3. And 2 into 3 equal 6. Okay. Then here, what is the dividend here? 7. So we want to write the multiplication table up to 7. Okay. So next multiplication is what? 3 into 3 will be what? 3 into 3 will be 9. But that 9 is greater than 7. Okay. So we want to take the multiplication this. 2 into 3 equal 6. That 6 we know that is below 7. So we want to take this multiplication fact. Okay, we know multiplication fact and division fact we know. So in this case, here the dividend is 7. So in this case we are write the multiplication table of 3 because the divisor here it is 3. So actually we are finding how many 3's in 7. That is by division that we know how many 3's are in 7. For finding that answer, we are writing the multiplication table. In 3, how many 3's? Only 1 3. In 6, how many 3's are there? 2 3's are there in 6. So, how many 3's will be in 7? So, there will be only 2 3's. Because 2 into 3 is 6, but next 3 into 3 is 9. But that is greater than 7. So, how we can answer for how many 3's in 7? Only 2 3's are in 7. So, that multiplication fact we want to take because next multiplication the product is 9. That 9 is greater than 7. So, this multiplication fact we want to take. So, 6 in 7 divided by 3 will be what? That quotient will be this 2. So that quotient we write here. Okay. In 7, how many 3's are there? 2. Then next step is multiply this quotient with this divisor. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. That 6 right below 7. Okay. Then subtract 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, this is long division. Now in this long division, which is the quotient we got? This 2 is the quotient. Okay, the division answer is called quotient. And here this 1 is called remainder. Okay, 1 is called remainder. And what is 3? 3 is divisor and 7 is dividend. So this type of writing is called a long division. Another question you look, when we divide 6 divided by 2, how we can divide this using long division? So for using long division, we write this way: 6 divided by 2. 6 is dividend and 2 write the divisor right here. Okay, then we find out in this case, in this division, which multiplication table we want to know. Actually, we are finding how many 2's in 6. How many 2's are there in 6? For finding that answer, we are writing the multiplication table in the side. 1 into 2, that we know 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Then 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. 3 into 2 we got 6. So we got the same number 6, so that we can take that multiplication fact we can take. So we know if 3 into 2 is 6, we can make one division fact from the here. 6 divided by 2 will be equal to 3. Okay, that we know. From one division fact, how we can write one multiplication fact, and also from one multiplication fact we can form division fact also. So 6 divided by 2 will be what? 3. 6 divided by 2. From this multiplication fact, we can find out 6 by 2 will be equal to 3. So that 3 we write in the quotient part. So 6 divided by 2 we got 3. What is the next step? Quotient multiply with this divisor. 3 into 2, 6. So next step is, from this 6 we subtract 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the quotient we got here? This is called, this answer of this division is 3. That is called quotient. Okay. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So all of you understood how we divide a number by another number? Okay. So we want to tell the table of the divisor, which table. So if another question, if it is, listen one question. If the question is 9 divided by 3. Okay, 9 divided by 3. So when we write this, we want to write long division method like this. How many 3's in 9? That we know. For that we know the multiplication table of 3. 1 into 3 equal 3. 2 into 3 equals 6. 3 into 3, that is 9. So 9 divided by 3 will be equal to 3. Okay, that we write in the quotient part. Then multiply 3 into 3. 9. Then subtract 9 minus 9. 0. So which is the quotient here? Quotient is 3. That we know 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So and the remainder is 0. This is the long division method for dividing a number by another number. Okay. Thank you.